In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Etsy keyword research with Everbee. We'll move through the process from opening your browser to evaluating the best keyword opportunities so you can make informed decisions for your listings. Start by opening a new browser window and searching for Everbee. This is an Etsy research tool that helps you understand demand and competition for different search terms. When the results load, click the official Everbee link. You'll be taken to their site where you can log in. Make sure you're signed in so you can access the full dashboard and its keyword features. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side of the dashboard and find the keyword research section. This is where you'll do most of your analysis. In the search bar, type your initial keyword, sometimes called a seed keyword. For example, you might enter Notion template. Everbee will generate an overview for that term, including search volume and competition. Search volume tells you how many people are looking for that keyword. Competition indicates how many sellers and listings you're up against. Together, these help you gauge whether a keyword is worth targeting. As the results appear, start evaluating the balance. In general, you want keywords with a solid search volume, meaning there's real demand, and lower competition, meaning you have a better chance to rank. Many tools also show a keyword score, which is a quick way to assess how attractive a keyword may be when you weigh demand against competition. Higher scores usually signal better opportunities, but always confirm by scanning the actual numbers and making sure the keyword truly fits your product. Everbee will also suggest related keywords. To make these easier to compare, click on Customize and ensure the competition and keyword score metrics are turned on. This way, you'll see the columns you need at a glance. Review the list and look for patterns. Long-tail phrases can be especially valuable because they capture buyer intent and often come with less competition, even if the volume is lower than broader terms. Focus your attention on keywords that strike that strong balance of high or healthy search volume and relatively lower competition. Be cautious with terms that have very low search volume, since they won't bring much traffic, and avoid extremely competitive terms that are overcrowded. Stick to phrases that accurately describe your product, match buyer intent, and give you a realistic chance to rank. That's it. You've opened Everbee, logged in, navigated to keyword research, explored a seed keyword, turned on the right metrics, and identified promising keywords to guide your Etsy strategy.